Hey guys, Jason Kaczewski, Speedmaster CEO. Just want to announce that the second of our 5 Speedmaster DNA cars is ready, it's almost finished, and we're going to debut it at SEMA 2018. To think that this time last year, we debuted our first Speedmaster DNA car being the Blackbird, the Daytona Coupe, the new Ford 33 Roadster is going to be ready and debuted at SEMA. I'm so proud to show you this car. I can't wait for you to see it. And on top of that, I'm so proud to tell you that one of my friends, Australian friends this time, has purchased this car. And I can't wait for him to take delivery. So stay tuned. Get ready to see all these amazing videos, because over the next 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to see our Blackbetty. Thank you.